Okay, so when you drink alcohol and build exhaust kits, you get small glass pack as crossover tubes. So technically I'm running 3 mufflers. Okay, so I picked up some remote controlled exhaust cutouts from Evil Energy. They're about this long, it's a Y. It's got almost like a window motor. This is old technology, but this is a new twist on it. It's super easy. The only wiring you have to do is plug it into a cigarette lighter. It's got a key fob that controls it. I probably won't keep it that way just because I like to hardwire stuff in here because I'm probably gonna try to go with some rocker switches just because I have a couple of panels that are still empty on my rocker switch display, and this would be a cool thing to put there. If I get into that, I'll show you how I do that. To start, they've made it easy. You literally cut your exhaust, put it in there, weld it together. You don't even have to weld it together. They sell these elaborate clamp things. They're like this long with bolts, and it really seals off well. So you could actually get away with installing this without even welding. If, like I said, you run the wires through the firewall, you plug them in the little bitty box that you mount, plugs into your cigarette lighter, you hit the key fob, everything opens and closes. So they've made it super simple. I'm gonna install these. Door's gonna slam. I've got a drift brake. I'm gonna try to install a drift brake on the BroncoVic. Not sure how that'll play out either, being an automatic, but I feel like I can keep it revved enough to make it fun. So if anything else, we'll just come to a screeching stop every time. I would go ride sport bikes today, but I don't have one. I did buy just the OEM cop car rear sway bar. And I know I've mentioned it before, welded the diff solid, so pulled this off, welded the spotter gears together and put fluid in it. It's all time get, both wheels. See how that moves? That's no bueno. Either this is loose or that bushing's worn. Yeah, that ain't good. So upon further review, this was loose, which explains a lot of the popping noise I was hearing up here. I don't know if that got that way from being impacted from a building or if it just is loose, but yeah, I'm not a fan. That should do it. Cutouts, bypass valves, I don't know what you call those things from Evil Energy. I'm curious to see how it sounds. This is all dirt from my little escapade. And this is the 3rd round of cleaning it out. More dirt in there. So that's with them shut, of course. That. Let's go for a ride. Safety first. Whoa. Almost hit a truck. at him, he's so happy.
He's so autistic.
What'd you pay for that, Hudson?
Like $250.
About what they cost me. Just go, keep walking. Just.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I suggested, I'm gonna break into this brain and see if I can figure out what's going on here. So this is power into it. I'm assuming that's just a power in the ground because it's a typical cigarette lighter. This is your out to the plugs that plug into the motors themselves. This of course is your key fob. And then this is the brain that works everything. What you have here is this little breaker. Power in does its magic and there's 2 wires out. You're just sending current 2 different ways. Pin 30 will go to the motor. Pin 87 will go to a 12-volt fuse, aka the battery. 87A will be a ground. Pin 85 will be to your toggle switch. And pin 86 will also be a ground. Now you'll take that relay and you'll power both motors to open. So in order to get them to shut though, you're gonna have to have another relay that when it's powered from the second side of the switch, it does the same thing, but it's gonna close. So the way you wire that one is the same way. So each relay will have 2 grounds, a lead to the motor, a lead from your switch, and an all-time hot. Clear as mud. This will replace the brain that Evil Energy sends you. So while that guy's doing that boring stuff, why don't you guys do me a favor, run over to Mugg Customs and buy a t-shirt or a sticker. 100% of the profits go to building junk just like this. So first things first, I gotta get... Oh, nice. Okay. Alright, so let's see if this worked or not. Key on. Hey, open, close, open. I'm gonna do power windows next. That was easy.
I got fiberglass all over me.
Is he itchy? Is this where you tell me Hudson has allergies?
No.
I think a lot of people have allergies to fiberglass.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is happening.
Hold on.
Why am I the one doing this?
Hang on, hang on.
Hang on.
There's a Crown Vic pump here.
We're going drifting? Oh, of all the times to get a phone call.
Yeah. What am I looking at right now?
Dude!
Bronco.
It looks like a Subaru Brat.
It's not that cool. It's not that Romino. Romino. All right, let's not lose your 3 bolts while this thing goes.
Man, maybe at all the dust.
These seatbelts work, or are they just for looks?
I mean, if you want to be strapped into it when we wreck, that's your business.
We're gonna kill some lifters. That worry you? It's got oil pressure?
It's got 20 pounds.
Ah, that's plenty. Making sure it's not like getting torn up back there. Do I need to drive this thing?
God, this thing is rad. Oh, you know what? It's running out of gas.
It's out of gas! Dude! Oh, you left the gas all the way back there.
Look how sticky the tires are.
Oh yeah, we should probably just make it to the gas station. Yeah.
Gas station right there. Oh, they're not making it.
I feel like the converter's locking up.
Something's not jiving, huh? I wonder if it's the ABS.
This thing still has traction control?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, right there.
That's working.
Good.
Yeah, it didn't open up because it can't open up, but it cut throttle on me.
So that time it was all go?
Yeah, then it cut. You felt it.
Yeah.
I was still in it.
Pull this rig over. Let me see what's going on. Surely there's a module that we can unplug or something, right?
Gotta be.
It wouldn't be under here because everything is unplugged.
If people ask about the smoke, just tell them we blew a head gasket. It's the ABS module.
Where is it?
It's under the hood.
Let's make sure you have brakes before we get too crazy. I said try it out before you do it.
No, I know. I'm just testing, making sure it's not gonna. Dude, it does burnouts easier now with that. Guarantee it.
Didn't really have a problem.
No, but it took you a while to load up. Yeah, that was better.
Not bad at all. Okay, so that's going to do it for this episode. Special thanks to Evil Energy for sponsoring this video. They sent us the exhaust cutouts. Do me a favor, if you're interested in something like this, please go to their website and check it out. I'll put an affiliate link in the description below, save you even a little bit more money on their already well-priced products. A side note to this, if you have dual or single exhaust, they make kits for dual or single exhaust. So the differences are, if you buy a kit with dual exhaust, you're going to get two motors, the appropriate wiring to wire everything into one brain. Or if you bought two singles, you'd have this chaos, and so you just don't want to do that. They do come in a range of sizes. I'm not sure. I know we put 2.5 inch on the BroncoVic. That's what we put on everything here pretty much, but you can get different sizes. I'm not sure how tall or whatever. You'll just have to check it out. But click that affiliate link before you go there and I can save you some money. Also, I'd like to thank the Browns for hanging out. You know, I was just out and about and they pull over and the next thing you know, you've got the top off your truck and you're ripping donuts everywhere. So that's really fun. I'm looking forward to getting into more fun in 26 than work. So as always, shout out to Art Captain for supplying Mugg Customs with all our welding and cutting needs. These guys are insanely helpful in what we do, to say the least. So if you guys could do me a favor, go like, subscribe, hit that notifications button. Please help the channel grow. We're getting so close to 10,000 subs. We might hit it this weekend. So if I don't see you before the new year, have a happy new year, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.